Hello and welcome back to the third video of the series of Specflow C# Selenium. So here we have executed the first 5 steps in the first 2 videos of this series. So if you have not gone through those videos, you can go through those quick videos and reach the step number 6. So the step number 6 is creating a basic report for the test executed. So we have created a Specflow C# Selenium test, which we have executed successfully. It is a simple test. Now we'll create a report for that test. So let's learn how to execute this sixth step of creating a basic report for the test executed. So here are the 3 steps to create a basic report. So all these 3 steps are to be executed in the command prompt. So let's open the command prompt and execute these steps one by one. So copy paste the first step and try to execute it. So now it says Specflow was successfully installed. Now let's go to this folder. So let's do cd and put the project folder path and go to .NET 5.0. So this is my project. Let's open it and here bin debug 5.0. Okay, so let's copy this path and let's now we are in this path. Now let's go to the third step. You have to give the project name in this location. So let's copy this third step and then go to our Visual Studio and copy the project name. Now let's copy this step, get it to the command prompt and execute it. Okay, so it says that this was successfully executed and livingdoc.html has been generated at this location. So let's try to go back to that location. So we are in net 5.0 folder. Let's refresh that folder and let's sort by modified date. Yep, we have the livingdoc.html. So on opening the livingdoc.html, we see that we are seeing a report of all the features, all the test cases under the feature being executed. If you click on this test case, it will show you what feature it was, what was the tag given to that feature, and what were the given, when, and then conditions for that feature. If you come to analytics, it will show you how many features you have executed, you have passed, you have failed, and others shows the features which were not executed, which is corresponding to this calculator feature, which was not executed. Yeah, then it shows scenarios which were executed and the number of steps which were executed. So 3 were executed and 3 have been passed, and 4 under the calculator were not executed. So scenarios also we have 1 passed and 1 was not executed. So this is the format in which the report is being generated over here. So this is the very basic HTML report which you can generate in Specflow after executing a test case. So that's all for this video. This was a short video on generating basic reports for the Specflow workflows that you execute. So keep watching the next videos to get into the depths of C# Selenium coding with Specflow. So up until then, do like this video, do share this video with someone who's trying to learn Specflow C# Selenium coding, and do subscribe to my channels for other coding content. Up until then, keep on lazily coding. Bye-bye.